How to securely back up FileVault Encrypted macOS drives. Imagine your Mac is like a safe, protecting your data with strong encryption. Now, what happens if you need to back up that safe without compromising its security? That's what we're here to figure out. When you turn on FileVault on your Mac, it encrypts your entire startup drive using APFS encryption with a 256-bit key. This makes your data unreadable without the decryption key, which is tied to your user password and hardware security. Because of this, backing up a drive protected by FileVault needs some extra steps to keep your data safe and accessible. The first thing to understand is that you can back up your encrypted drive in two main ways. One way is to create a backup on an external drive that is also encrypted. You can do this by formatting the external drive as APFS Encrypted using disk utility. This way, your backup stays protected if the drive gets lost or stolen. The second way is to make a bootable backup of your system that is itself encrypted. To do this, you first create a backup on an unencrypted drive with a tool like Carbon Copy Cloner. Then, you boot from that backup and enable FileVault on it through System Preferences. This process encrypts the backup drive in place, making it both bootable and secure. Using backup software that understands FileVault is very important. Tools like Carbon Copy Cloner are designed to handle encrypted drives properly. They can create encrypted bootable backups and support the process of encrypting the backup volume after it's made. Remember, recent versions of macOS favor APFS format for these backups, as it's optimized for encryption and performance. Be careful not to just copy files manually from an encrypted drive. Doing so might make your backup inaccessible or unencrypted. If you get errors when encrypting your backup drive, such as messages about existing macOS users, you may need to erase and reformat the drive as APFS encrypted before starting the backup. Also, always keep your FileVault recovery key safe or ensure your iCloud account is set up to unlock your encrypted drive. This way, you won't get locked out if you forget your password. For regular backups, Time Machine is a good choice because it supports FileVault encrypted drives by backing up decrypted data securely. For creating a bootable backup, use Carbon Copy Cloner or similar tools and follow their instructions to encrypt the backup drive after copying. Store your backups in secure locations and consider keeping multiple copies, including offsite or cloud backups, to protect your data from loss or theft. To sum it up, backing up a FileVault encrypted drive safely involves either creating an encrypted backup volume or making a bootable backup that you encrypt afterward. Use compatible backup software and format your backup drives as APFS encrypted. Keep your recovery keys safe and store backups securely. This way, your data stays protected and ready to restore whenever you need it.